Good morning, children. Hope all of you are fit and fine. Dear children, we are learning divisibility test, and so far we have discussed divisibility test by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Let us recall what we have already learned. For 2, we said a number is divisible by 2 if it has 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in its ones place. A number is divisible by 2 if it has 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in its ones place. For 3, a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits, the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 3. For 4, we said a number is divisible by 4 if it has 0 at its ones place and tens place, means the 2 place from the right side have zeros in it, or the number formed there is divisible by 4. For 5, a number is divisible by 5 if it has 0 or 5 in its ones place. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3 both. For 7, we had seen two things. Multiply the rightmost digit by 2 and subtract the product from the remaining number, and continue it till we get a convenient number that can be easily predicted whether it is divisible by 7 or not. Another method for the same was multiply the rightmost digit by 5 and add it to the remaining number and continue it till the end, so till such a position where you can say just by simple observation that the number is divisible by 7 or not. Now we are going to learn divisibility by 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15 and 18. For 8, a number is divisible by 8 if it has 0 at its ones, tens and hundreds place. First rule says, if these 3 digits, 3 places have 0 in it, the number is divisible by 8. Let us check it. 8 9 ja 72, 3 3, 8 4 ja 32, 1 0, 8 1 ja 8, 2 0, 8 2 ja 16, 4 and 0 and 8 5 ja 40. So, all the 3 places, ones, tens and hundred, have zeros in it, the number is divisible by 8. But every time this cannot be the case that you have zeros at all the 3 places. Then let us take another example. 1 3 5 1 1 2. You need not divide the whole number. Simply consider these 3 digits. 1 1 2, number formed by these 3 digits as they are, and divide it by 8. 8 1 ja 8, 3 2, 8 4 ja 32. And say this number is divisible by 8. You can check it. Let us do that. Yes. Eight one ja 8, 5 5. 8 6 ja 48, 7 1. 8 8 ja 64, 7 1. 8 8 ja 64, 7, 2, and 8 9 ja 72. See, if you know the test, you need to divide only this much, and you know 14 8 ja 112. So you can do it orally also without actual division. And if you at all need to divide it, you can avoid this much work. You save time. So a number is divisible by 8 if it has, number 1, 3 places 0. 0 at 1's place, 0 at 10's place, and 0 at 100's place. Or the number formed by these 3 places is divisible by 8. Now for 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. Let us take one example. Say 7, 8, 3, 4, 5. To test the divisibility by 9, simply find the sum of the digits. 7 plus 8 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. You need not write it, you can do it orally. 7 plus 8, 15, 15 plus 3, 18, 18 plus 4, 22, 22 plus 5, 27, yes. And 27 is divisible by 9, so this number is also divisible by 9. Let us check it. 7, 8, 3, 4, 5, 9. 9 8 ja 72, 6, 3, 9 7 ja 63. Then this 4 is smaller than the divisor, so put a 0 here and carry down this 5. 9 5 ja 45. Isn't it? Without doing the actual division, we can know whether this number is divisible by 9 or not. Let us take one more example. Eight 0 8 0 8 3. Find the sum of the digits. 8 plus 0 8, 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 0 16, 16 plus 8 24, 24 plus 3 27. So the sum of the digits is 27, and as 27 is divisible by 9, 9 3 are 27, so this number is also divisible by 9. Let us check it. 8 0 8 0 8 3 and try to divide it by 9. 9 8 ja 72. 8 8. 9 9 ja 81. 7 0. 9 7 ja 63. 7 8. 9 8 ja 72. 6 3. 9 7 ja 63. So, if you know the test of divisibility without actual division, you will find yourself in a position to predict whether the number is going to be exactly divisible by 9 or not. For 10, the rule is very simple. By simple observation, you can say a number is divisible by 10 if and only if its ones digit is 0. If its ones place digit is any number except 0, the number is not going to be divisible by 10. So, a number is divisible by 10 if its ones place digit is 0. Now, for 11. For 11, a number is divisible by 11. Let me write a number. 6 9 3 0 2 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 digits are there. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sums, sum I hope the result of addition you understand. A number is divisible by 11 if the sum of its digits at odd places and the sum of the digits at its even places. Let me repeat it. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sums of its digits at odd places and even places is either 0 or divisible by 11. So how to proceed? Proceed like this. You may begin from either side, from this side or from this side. See, 6, 3, 2. And find the sum of the digits that you have underlined. 6 plus 3 plus 2. 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 2, 11. And the sum of the digits which you haven't underlined. 9 plus 0 plus 2, that is 11. And now the difference of 11 and 11 is 0. So, this number is divisible by 11. We will check it. Let me repeat the rules. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sums of the digits at its odd places and its even places is either 0 or divisible by 11. Now, let us check it by actual division. As per our rule, this number is divisible by 11. Let us check it. 11 6 ja 66. 3 3. 11 3 ja 33. 0 0. Carry down 2. Even now it is less than the divisor, so put one more 0 and carry down this 2. 11 2 ja 22. See, without doing all this work, with a little calculation we can see whether the number is divisible by 11 or not. For 12, a number is divisible by 12 if it is divisible by 3 and 4 both. 3 and 4 both. This word both is important. For 3, I think you remember the rule, and for 4 also. So, just if you know the divisibility test by 3 and 4, you can very well ascertain whether the number is going to be divisible by 12 or not. For 15, a number is divisible by 15 if it is divisible by 3 and 5 both. And a number is divisible by 18 if it is divisible by 2 and 9 both. Is a number divisible by 18 if it is divisible by 3 and 6 both? See, 12 is a number. It is divisible by 3. 3 4 ja 12. 6 2 ja 12. But this 12 is not divisible by 18. So, something different is there with the rules that we will discuss in our next class. Till then, watch the video repeatedly to get a clear understanding of the divisibility test and enjoy. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.